Copywriting में there are some core services that you can offer individually as a copywriter. So let's look at what these are, and when you learn what these services are, so it will give you some good options to choose what kind of services you want to provide to your clients. So let's look at what these core copywriting services are. इसमें लैंडिंग पेजेस आते हैं, एड कॉपी, वेब कॉपी, ईमेल कॉपी एंड सेल्स पेज राइटिंग. Each of these services you can offer to your clients individually. In fact, clients की specific demand भी हो सकती है. So let's say they might specifically need your services to write a landing page or to produce ad copy. तो इस तरह से you can decide what you want to specialize in. So now let's quickly go over what each of these services are. When we say landing pages, what we're talking about is a standalone web page where a visitor lands after they click on a link in an email or in any ad on Google or YouTube or Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc. किसी भी सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म पे आपने देखा होगा कि कोई एड रन होती है तो उसके साथ एक लिंक होता है, और उस लिंक पे जब यूजर्स क्लिक करते हैं तो दे आर रीडायरेक्टेड टू अ लैंडिंग पेज जो एक सिंगल पेज होता है. इट इज़ नॉट पार्ट ऑफ एनी वेबसाइट. इट इज़ जस्ट वन सिंगल स्टैंड पेज जिसपे आप एक सिंगल ऑफर लगाएंगे दैट योर टारगेट ऑडियंस कैन ऑप्ट इन फॉर. So unlike web pages which typically have many goals and encourage exploration, and web pages का aim mostly होता है to keep the audience on the website, unlike that landing pages are designed with the single focus of a call to action. All of the content that you write on a landing page will lead the reader to your call to action because you want them to take up your offer. So landing pages can be campaign specific. आप अगर कोई पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च कर रहे हैं या आपकी किसी पर्टिकुलर सर्विस पे एक ऑफ़र चल रही है तो उस ऑफ़र के बारे में आप इंफॉर्मेशन डालेंगे ऑन योर लैंडिंग पेज. देयर आर नो डिस्ट्रैक्शंस ऑन द पेज एंड देयर इज़ ओनली वन लिंक. ईजिली एक्सेसिबल होना चाहिए. देयर शुड बी नो क्लटर ऑन योर पेज बिकॉज योर एम इज़ कन्वर्जन्स. तो आपकी ऑडियंस के सामने सिर्फ एक लिंक होगा, क्लियर कट वे में उनको पता होगा कि क्या ऑफर है. दैट विल गिव यू अ बेटर चांस ऑफ converting your prospective buyers. So these are a couple of examples of landing pages. इसमें भी एक टाइप का लैंडिंग पेज नहीं होता. You can either go for a lead generation page जिसमें you are creating leads. इसमें you put a form in front of your audience that they can fill out with their first name, their last name, their email, etc. तो इसमें you are giving your audience a choice of whether they want to give you their email. On the other hand, there is a click through page जिसमें एक सिंगल बटन होता है, एक सिंगल लिंक होता है जिसपे your audience can click and avail your offer. फिर ad copy आती है. So whether you're writing for Facebook or for Google or for any sort of online ad, your ad copy should be very clear and succinct and very short. तो इसका कोई हार्ड एंड फास्ट रूल नहीं होता फॉर द वर्ड काउंट और द कैरेक्टर काउंट, बट एक बेसिक आइडिया आपको होना चाहिए कि एड कॉपी में जो प्राइमरी टेक्स्ट होगा दैट शुड बी नो मोर देन 125 कैरेक्टर्स. देन आपकी जो हेडलाइन होगी विच विल कम अबव योर प्राइमरी टेक्स्ट दैट ऑल्सो नीड्स टू बी वेरी शॉर्ट एंड टू द पॉइंट. तो ट्राई कि वो 40 कैरेक्टर से ज़्यादा ना जाए. एंड देन द डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ योर एड which will come right under the headline that will be no more than 30 characters. एंड किसी भी एड कॉपी लिखने के लिए इज़ बेस्ट इफ़ यू ऑलवेज ओपन विथ अ बेनिफिट और अ पेन पॉइंट एंड देन कीप द ऑडियंस ऑन योर कॉपी बाय यूजिंग फीलिंग्स बेस्ड हुक्स. आपके हुक्स आपके फर्स्ट सेंटेंसेस होंगे दैट योर ऑडियंस विल रीड. सो इफ़ these first sentences ignite some sort of feelings in your audience, that will help you create a connection with them. So this is an example of an ad copy that is on Facebook. इसमें हमने शुरू किया है with a pain point which is that the dog gets way too excited, and then we are offering a solution to the problem, which is what if you could teach him to be calm, confident and as under control as some of the best service dogs out here. And then आप देख रहे हैं कि एक call to action right away हमने दे दिया है along with the link. So if you're writing ad copy, the links are very important. Then we have web copy. This is any content that goes on a business's website. जितने भी online businesses होंगे उनके almost हमेशा website होगी. So website copy is the core text that narrates visitors through your website and tells them what they need to know about a brand or the site. So it is a complete insight into your brand, आपकी brand story, आपके products, आपके brand के visions, आपके missions, your motivation to help people, even your personal profiles, all of these things in their entirety, जितना भी आपके brand के बारे में information आप convey करना चाहते हैं to your audience, that will be included in your web copy. So वेब कंटेंट की जब हम बात करते हैं तो देर आर सेवरल डिफरेंट पेजेस ऑन एवरी वेबसाइट एंड ऑल ऑफ दीज कम अंडर वेब कंटेंट. सो मोस्ट कॉमनली आपकी वेबसाइट्स पे होम पेज होगा, अबाउट अस पेज होगा, प्रोडक्ट्स एंड सर्विसेज पेज होगा, कॉन्टैक्ट अस पेज होगा एंड एक ब्लॉग पेज होगा. एंड ऑफ कोर्स इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द बिजनेस और द क्लाइंट कि वो और कितने पेजेस ऐड करना चाहते हैं उनकी वेबसाइट में. If they hire you as a web content writer, then you will be responsible for capturing the theme of their brand and the vision behind their brand and creating copy based on that. So it's very important that the brand image reflects in the words that you write. Then there's email copy. Now email copy is mostly when you're pitching your services, your offers to potential buyers, and it can also be used to connect with your buyers, to keep sending them resources, to keep sending them information that they can read and get educated by. आप emails के through उन्हें educational content भी भेज सकते हैं, but the main purpose of any email copy is not only that your audience trusts your brand and starts to recognize you as a brand, but in fact to prepare them to be open to your sales pitch. So email copy is used to create your sales pitch, offer your product, and create brand awareness. It is about how you express an idea to convince prospective buyers to convert. Every word in your email should drive subscribers towards fulfilling your goal. आपको पता होना चाहिए कि आपके goals क्या हैं, and every word in your email should direct your subscribers towards that goal. So for example, if you want them to buy your newest product, so you should focus on its benefits for the reader and talk about what problem it can solve and directly address that problem and make it very clear to your audience about how your solution can help them achieve their goals. Most importantly, tell them why should they act right now. Answer this in your email. You want कि आपकी audience आपकी offer को फौरन avail करे, but they also need some kind of incentive to do that. So tell your readers why they should accept your offer and act upon it right now. So maybe you can use words like limited time offer or discounted offer, limited discounts, limited passes available, limited seats available. इस तरह से you will create a need for your offer. Then finally we have sales pitch writers. If you're a sales pitch writer, तो आप several different forms में अपनी sales pitch present कर सकते हैं depending on your client's needs. Mainly sales pitch through emails होती हैं, but you can also use business proposals, letters. इस तरह से भी sales pitch आप present कर सकते हैं. So there are many different forms that you can use to offer your sales pitch. But essentially in your sales pitch, you want to tell a story to create a connection between your hook and your call to action. So you will start with the perfect hook, जिसमें ideally you should connect with your buyer's needs while also narrating your brand story. तो आपके buyer की जो needs हैं उनको side by side along with your brand story discuss करें. Be very open about it, be very conversational about it. The more you reveal to your audience, the more likely they are to trust you. उनके मतलब का tone adopt करें. If your business is more towards the formal side, then use a formal sophisticated tone. But if it's targeted more towards a casual audience, तो आप उसमें casual tone use करेंगे, थोड़ा सा और conversational and friendly tone use करेंगे. But after you're done with your hook, after you grab the audience's attention, offer a solution. Come directly to the problem and address the problem that your readers are facing. And इसको backup करने के लिए use statistics. Then once you do that, tell your audience what to do next. Do not forget this step. आप जितनी मर्जी information लिख लेंगे, hooks डाल लेंगे, अगर आपकी audience को नहीं समझ आएगी कि आपका content पढ़ने के बाद वो क्या करें, कौन सा step लें, तो all of your content will be wasted. So tell them what to do next, guide them towards the sale. Add a link or a call to action over here. And then always follow up. ये चाहे आप क्लाइंट्स के लिए सेल्स पिच लिख रहे हैं या खुद एक क्लाइंट से बात कर रहे हैं, खुद अपनी सर्विसेज पिच कर रहे हैं टू योर क्लाइंट्स, ऑलवेज बी श्योर टू टेक फॉलो अप्स आपकी पहली ईमेल में अगर वो कन्वर्ट नहीं होते तो यू कैन सेंड देम एन ईमेल अगेन after a few days and you can maybe change your perspective. You can ask them if they have any questions. इस तरह it gives a very professional feel to your content.